Philip Hornby in East Sussex. Many dairy farmers say they've had to dump milk because blocked roads have prevented tankers from collecting it. But Unigate dairies at Headcorn have been airlifting milk supplies to village customers in the southeast with a day-long shuttle service. Ray Rogers went on one of the milk runs.
If milkman Peter Wilding was in a bit of a flap today, it was because of instead of him delivering the milk was being delivered to him. He and his fellow villagers at Kingswood near Maidstone ran out of milk 2 days ago after being cut off by snow since the weekend. They turned out in force on the school playing field to greet the flying milk float. Peter did a roaring trade on the spot, 2 pints for most of the 1,000 villagers and at the normal price of 25p.
Well, Peter, it's milk, but there's not a lot of it. How are you going to distribute it?
Well, if we do 2 pints per family in the village, that should mean that every village will get at least some milk, keep going, and hopefully we can do the same tomorrow if we can't get through with the van.
And this is your first delivery since when?
Wednesday we got up through with 200 odd pints, but we haven't been out since.
Do you think you're going to start getting vehicles in soon?
We might get some through tomorrow if the snowplow can get along the top road.
I bet you were pleased to see the milkman.
We were, yes we were.
It's not the way he normally arrives, is it?
No, I've seen him arrive in some forms or the other, but not this way. We're very glad to see him. I think we really all began to feel we'd been forgotten.
The chartered helicopter, operating for Unigate dairies at Headcorn, has been in the air 7 hours today, flying to stranded communities as far apart as Doddington on the north.
Stocks at the post office stores were dangerously low until the army arrived. Some shoppers got out for the first time in nearly a week.
This is the first time since Sunday we have been cut off. We live a mile down the road.
Abandoned lorries surrounded by drifts up to 15 feet high litter the A20, one of the busiest trunk roads in southeast England. The army are here in force, but it's slow work shifting mountains of snow.